I am really liking this leggings organizer. It comes with a hanger so you can hang it in your closet, or it comes with a hook that you can place over your door, as you can see here. This organizer is double-sided, and I really love how lightweight yet sturdy this is. It's nylon, and then you can see through each of the holders, so you can see exactly what piece of clothing or whatnot that you have inside. And so I have a plethora of leggings, and they are all over the place. And so I decided to go ahead and fold each of my leggings up and place them in this leggings holder. I also use this holder for my shorts on the other side. And overall, I am extremely satisfied with how everything turned out. So if you're looking for a convenient legging organizer, I 100% recommend this one.